What does it take to create the perfect kitchen? Technology, innovation, intuition, and thoughtfulness. Presenting Bosch Self Clean Chimneys. The perfect infusion of technology and innovation, and packed with thoughtful features that are the answer to your kitchen's needs. Enjoy a hassle-free cleaning experience with Self Clean technology, comprising of the Self Clean function and the Self Clean Reminder feature. The intuitive technology of the Self Clean Reminder makes life easier. It indicates when the chimney needs to be cleaned, so that you know when to activate the Self Clean function. When you see the Self Clean Reminder blinking, all you have to do is click a button and the chimney cleans itself. The interior heats up and melts the accumulated grease, which then gets collected in a tray. Just remove the tray and discard the oil. No guess and no mess. With the Self Clean function and the Self Clean Reminder feature that's exclusive to Bosch. Now, isn't that smart? But that's not the only smart thing in the Bosch Self Clean Chimneys. Get more extraction power with lesser noise, thanks to the smart motor technology. Coupled with the Archimedean air principle, it gives higher extraction with lower noise level. And all this is possible at just less than 150 watts, which means less energy consumption. Apart from the high suction power, the Bosch Self Clean Chimneys also come with a little extra boost. Whatever the type of cooking, ensure a clean and smoke-free kitchen with the booster function. Perfect for Indian cooking, the booster function gives that extra boost to help clean smoke created while deep frying, tempering, etc. The cleaning doesn't stop here. Get rid of the remaining smoke and odour even after you finish cooking with the delayed shut-off function. This extracts the leftover smoke and automatically turns off the chimney in 10 minutes, leaving your kitchen fresh and clean. Bosch Self Clean Chimneys are not just easy to clean, but easy to use as well. Control the chimney with just a sway of your hand with gesture control. The chimney interprets hand gestures to turn on, off, or change the fan speed without even touching the chimney. This is perfect when you've got your hands full in the kitchen. At Bosch, we are committed to quality. Our chimneys are an embodiment of German engineering. It is crafted to perform with excellence. Each component used is produced with the best in quality materials, which makes it durable and is built to last. Bosch Self Clean Chimneys come with an exclusive 2-year warranty, which assures you peace of mind. So get ready for an innovative kitchen experience. Get the most of our thoughtful features and look up with gratitude with Bosch Self Clean Chimneys.